Hi, I'm Mel. So I'd like to talk a little bit about thinking outside the box when it comes to your signature strengths. I know that we all have our signature strengths and they're very different. For me, it goes in the order of kindness, love, and creativity, in which I first thought that I would be more creative than I would be kind or loving. But after taking the survey, it showed me that I'm definitely more kind and loving than I am creative. Um, so, in being kind and loving, for me, it's all about my animals. We give to our animals like we do any other creature or person in our life. And it just goes to show that going towards my degree in animal behavioral really is going to play a good part into what I'm doing. So, for kindness for me, it really represents that you know, there are different kinds of kindness. Animal kindness, we can be so loving and just cherish our animals, show them the affection that they deserve, and really think that once we're kind to them, they'll definitely be kind to us in return. No matter their type of service, whether a service dog, a pet, anything, they will definitely show in turn the kindness that we showed them. And that's why it's so important, I think, to be kind to each other. Without being kind to each other, how can we respect that same thing in return? Next, I'd like to talk about love. For me, love is definitely something that plays a part in my everyday role. I love my family. I love my kids, including my furry ones and my scaly ones. And it really goes to show that in animal training, that love that you give across can really be portrayed in your everyday actions. We all are able to radiate our feelings towards one another in the most shameless way. And being creative, we can go about everything in a manner to which is unique to each situation. So that really seems to be one of the most important things. I find that, all of these strengths are positive due to the fact that they kind of all play off of each other well. You've got, kindness, which plays into love, which plays into creativity, and creativity just kind of loops back around to kindness. And without love, there's no kindness. Without kindness, there's no love. And without either, there's no creativity. So the funny thing is, I don't find that these three character strengths to me to be surprising at all. Um, it just kind of radiates the person that I am today. I love to share my everything with animals, and I think that becoming an animal trainer or behavioral therapist for animals is really going to benefit. Let's go to creativity. I often use this as my signature strength for myself. I'm a graphic designer and an artist of many talents. I love working with my Cricut and making logos and banners and T-shirts and things like that. And I'm very artsy craftsy, and that for me really shows that creativity. I can adapt well to make sure that others know what type of jack of all trades I can be at the moment. Overall, I could adapt to become more creative. Um, like I said, do design work, so you have to be creative. I'm a tattoo artist, you have to be creative. And in doing all this, if you're not creative, then you're going to be in the box and not thinking outside of the box, which to me is really what helps me deliver my information to in a whole new manner. So I just wanted to, touch on that a little bit, talk about things, and kind of express my opinions on these strengths of mine. And I really appreciate your time for watching and for joining. Thank you.